Okay, I know you guys are using the app. Did you see the new update? Yes, you can manage your layout on your homepage in the Command app. Let's do it together. It's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and yes, we are in the app again today. And what are we going to do? We are going to manage our layout. So if you haven't already, open that Command app and go to your homepage. So you would just click the homepage down here in the bottom. What we want to do is we want to manage how our homepage looks on the app. So to do that, you're going to click on Manage Layout here at the very top. And I'm going to do that with you right now. Now you can see everything that's wiggling, we can turn it off or turn it on, right? So if I don't want to see my open opportunities, I can click the eyeball and it turns it off. If I don't want to see my birthdays, I can click the eyeball and it turns it off. So you're just going to click these eyeballs to turn things off. Any section, so like opportunities or tasks or who to contact or things to know, you can even turn off the whole section. When you're done making all of these adjustments, you're just going to click save in the top right. So I'm going to click save, and now you can see my layout looks completely different. Now say you messed up, you want to go back to how it was at the beginning, you're just going to click on this manage layout again, scroll down to the very bottom and click reset to default. That's going to make it exactly how it was when you downloaded the app. You're going to click save in the top right, and then you'll have it back to normal. So if you want things in a different order, you'll click Manage Layout. You can click and drag. So I may want my things to know at the very, very top. And then I may want my who to contact after that. So I would just click, hold, and drag it up to where I want it. So I don't want my tasks at the top. I'm going to put those down here at the bottom. And there you have it. I have changed my layout. I'm just going to click Save in the top right. And now everything has changed the way I want to see it. So hope you have fun customizing your homepage. This is awesome. I can't wait to get mine exactly how I like it. Let me know what your combination is. What do you like to see? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next week.